Once you sign up in Dashly, it will offer to charge your application up to 100% power. The battery, which serves as onboarding, offers 6 steps. Step 1 is an essential step. Dashly won't be able to work on your website without the script installed. Click on the script to copy it and then paste the script before the closing head tag. Alternatively, if your website is built on WooCommerce, you can add Dashly as a plugin. When you add Dashly script to your website, don't forget to check if the script is installed. Click here and Dashly will tell you if you are ready to proceed further. Once the script is installed, you will see the chat on your website. As the next step, Battery offers the chat settings. Choose the option for chat visibility, whether it should be always visible only when there is a conversation, or hidden. Then proceed to the chat widget settings. Choose the icon, animation, background color, and write the caption in the chat widget. You can also connect the links to the social networks, Facebook, Telegram, or Viber. This section offers to choose the position of the chat on your website along with the chat widget indent from the borders of website window. Next, set the name of your chat and write a friendly greeting. Enable the support team evaluation for further analysis of how visitors and users are satisfied with the operator's support. The evaluation has 3 options. If not satisfied or the answer is acceptable, then a visitor may leave a written feedback. The right background can make the chat look seamlessly on your website. Tick the sound notifications if you want to draw maximum attention to your communication. Set how your chat will look like and what it will say when you are online and offline. You may not be always available for the chat support, so the chat should make it clear to visitors and users. Dashly divides the conversations into new, solved, unanswered, and missed questions. Your team can set the time delay for a question to be considered as solved. The last thing to configure in this section is the timeout before sending a conversation duplicate via email to the lead. The lead will either go back to your website to continue the conversation, or the lead may reply via email and continue talking to you via that communication channel. Dashly doesn't limit you on the number of operators. You can invite all your team, customer support, customer success, sales managers, marketing departments, analysts, team leads. They all can use metrics from Dashly and its features. Invite new operators over email. Set their username and the internal one, profile picture, email address and campaigns, and access rights, operator, admin, or super admin. When sending emails to your leads, email campaigns, or auto messages, you can choose a sender. For example, when sending a newsletter, it may be sent from a marketer. Onboarding emails may come from customer success team. Special offers may be sent from salespeople. This all depends on the structure of your business. Step 5 invites you to connect Dashly with other communication channels. All communication with your website visitors and users will be in one window in Dashly. Operators will not get distracted between several open windows or even devices. Hit the Connect button and you will see the detailed instruction on how to connect the social network or email to Dashly. The final step is an essential one. Configure data collection here. If you want email addresses to be collected in any field of the website, then tick here. This step also shows what is better to configure for e-commerce and for SaaS. Now we are done with the battery. The essential settings are configured.